Name your card. The Ace of Diamonds. I'm a magician, I cheat. Magicians, we lie, cheat, steal. But we tell you we're going to do that. If we didn't tell you, then we'd be politicians. Anyway, take a look at this card. I want you to pick a card, any card you can see, number and suit. You have a card. Good. I have a second prediction in this card. This envelope. Would you guys be impressed if I had her card in this envelope?
Yes!
Yes. Laugh out, it only gets worse. Young lady, if that be your real name. Please, for the first time, would you name your card?